Guys, today job hiring for part-time sale executive in Dubai Mall. Its salary 2300 AED plus one staff meal. Its duration 3 months minimum that can be renewable. Gender that they need female and male. Working hours 10 hours a day and 1 hour break. And working days 6 days a week and 1 day off. The requirement for this job: you must be vaccinated with OHC and must have a valid residence visa, Emirates ID and passport page copy. Must be presentable and good looking. Know how to converse well in English. Must be experienced in F&B and as a waitress and waiter, even part-time. If guys you are interested, you can drop your CV via WhatsApp at 05031733219. Kindly no calls. For the daily jobs update, kindly subscribe our channel. Thank you guys. Please share our videos. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.